Wow, Andy, what's with the crazy outfit?
I'm going to an 80s party tonight, and I'm going to have the coolest costume there. I want to win the costume contest.
Oh yeah? I'm old enough to remember the 80s.
No way, you're that old?
Yeah, I'm pretty old. You know what my favorite kid show to watch was back in the 80s?
I don't know.
You're right. It was You Can't Do That on Television.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, it was a goofy kid sketch comedy show on Nickelodeon. If you said a certain phrase, you get covered in green slime. If you said another word, you get all wet.
What are you talking about? I said what are, not water. I don't know why I even bother talking to you. That's it. I'm out of here. I owe you an apology.
Oh yeah, how come?
Turns out green slime is very 80s and I won the costume contest.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
You'll have to let me help you with other costumes.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, it's like say you got invited to a Three Stooges party. All you have to do is slightly modify what you have on now.
Who are the Three Stooges?
Oh, you've got a lot to learn.
I think I've had enough for one day.